description below, as well as give me a thumbs up if you like this video, as well as if you like this makeup look that I got going on. I filmed it, so it should be either up on my channel already or going to be up on my channel soon, so look forward to that. Now today we are here with another Sephora Play unboxing video. This is how the box comes, and this is the January 2018 box, and I was surprised how fast this box came. I wasn't expecting it actually for a while, because my last box came around like I think the 17th or the 20th, around that time. Now in this box, my products come in this cute little bag. You see, I remember last month I could not find my bag. I still can't find the bag till this day, and it says 2018 Happy New Year. Now that is extremely adorable. Now another thing this box comes with is a pamphlet with listing all the products and how to use them, and a Sephora Play card with 50 beauty insider points that you could use. Now in order to get the Sephora Play box, you just simply have to subscribe. It's around $10.99 or $10.80 a month, and you could cancel at any time, and usually you get little samples, which is really cute. I liked my last month's box. I felt like I got some stuff that were useful here. This month I did open this box prior to this video just to see what it was, because it came last night. Now the first thing that I picked out is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. This Glam Glow Super Cleanse Cleaning Cream to Foam Cleanser is an ultra creamy cleanser which uses a blend of 3 charcoals to clear pores and remove excess oil and makeup. Just that I don't really care for samples of skincare. I care for samples of makeup. But yeah, let's continue on. Now the next thing I got was this Fresh Rose Floral Toner. Little cute toner. Now, the Rose Floral Toner is a hydrating facial toner infused with soothing rose water for a fresh, healthy looking complexion. Okay, I will try it and hopefully it does what it says. Now the next thing I have here is the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. This is a hydrating and brightening under eye cream that's easy to pop in your bag for pick-me-ups throughout the day. I appreciate this. I like eye creams. I was using one brand eye cream before. I forgot the brand, but it was to help with lightening under my eyes. So I'm actually happy that I have this. Now the next thing that I got here is a Smashbox New Photo Finish Primerizer, Primer and Moisturizer in one. This is a lightweight, non-greasy primer and moisturizer which delivers deep hydration while prepping skin for makeup. My skin tends to get a little dry and sensitive during the winter months, so having a primer slash moisturizer will be really helpful. Now the next thing I have is this Lancome mascara base. It's supposed to be a Silks Booster Extra Large Super Enhancing Mascara Base. Why you'll love it. Your lashes are delicate and sometimes they require a little R&R. This formula is infused with vitamin E and microfibers, which not only make your lashes look fuller and longer, but also nurture and rejuvenate lashes. How to use. Apply from roots to tips of lashes and then apply mascara while formula is still wet. And actually today I used this product in this look with my lashes. I do think it made my lashes a little fuller looking. Let's look at the bottom. I think it actually did something. This is actually some good stuff. I do like this, and I never use a mascara base. I never heard of mascara bases, so I was really excited to get this as well. The last thing I got was this Alterna Hair Care shampoo and conditioner. Now this is my least favorite of this box that I got, and the reason is because, well, this is not enough for my hair. Like, this is not enough at all for me to wash my hair once and to condition my hair once. I have a lot of hair. I don't know if you guys seen my hair, but I have hair videos up. You could check it out. I'll probably leave a link below so you guys could click on it. Why send this to me? I don't need hair stuff. I don't even need skincare stuff, but Let's read what shampoo and conditioner is supposed to do. Luxurious, moisture-boosting shampoo and conditioner packed with age-defying proteins, minerals, and vitamins for silky strands. Why you'll love it. Feed your hair the nutrients it needs with the replenishing shampoo and conditioner fortified with caviar extract, vitamin C, and cytokinase. We love that it provides color and UV protection. How to use. Apply a generous amount in the shower and rinse with water. Generous amount? Is this supposed to be a generous amount? Is this a generous amount? Someone please help me. Is this a generous amount? Because this doesn't look like a generous amount for my hair. But yeah, that is everything that came in my box. Do I think that this box is worth it? Honestly, I don't think that this box is really worth it. This month box, because it's all skincare products. I don't care for skincare products. I don't want skincare products at all. I just want makeup, and usually they're supposed to send a perfume, and this month they did not send me a perfume. They did still send me 6 items, but one of those items are not a perfume. Do I really care about it? No. I don't need this. Like this shampoo and conditioner I could have went without. This toner probably could have went without. This cleanser probably could go without. But what I will do, since I do have 3 skincare products, I'll probably make another video of me using these 3 products together and showing you how it is, if it actually does work the way it says it works. Since I have them, I might as well use them. So I would say 3 out of 6 items I really care for here. I will say subscribe to this because I did like my items from last month a little bit more, and who knows, maybe I'll actually end up loving these skincare products that they sent me. Happy New Year, and thanks for checking out my channel. Thanks for watching and supporting me. I know I've been gone for a while. I just started a new job, but I am super excited for 2018 and everything that it brings me. I remember just a few months ago when I was looking for work, and I've been looking for work for a long time. I was so depressed, I was so down, and I found love in YouTube and my blog because I was able to share my love of beauty, and it kept me busy. I'm grateful that I actually started this YouTube channel, and I'm grateful for those who have been watching my videos. I want to continue to bring more videos to you guys, and I'm going to try to be a little bit more creative, and I just have so many ideas. I'm so excited. Thanks for watching my channel, you guys. Happy New Year, and enjoy the rest of your day.